Hello everyone, welcome to Small World Car. Today we've got 1975 Range Rover. The casting is by Matchbox and part of their moving parts line. This is not a new casting, but I was looking for one from a long time and I finally found one. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Range Rover out of its box. The first thing you'll notice is this really cool blue paint job, which looks really nice. Wheels we have seen on a lot of different Matchbox recently, and they do look good on SUVs. Let's go to the front and start from there. So up front, you got nicely detailed front. You got detailed headlamp, grille, turn indicators, running lamps. You also got Range Rover written on the hood. You got mirrors mounted on the hood, and you got windshield wipers. Very classic look. Black bumper and place for number plate. Now let's go to the driver's side, and since it's a I was thinking it's a right-hand drive Range. So the interior is done in tan. It's a very boxy shape which Range still continues, and if you see from the side you can see the overhang, like it's made in a way so that it can have a good departure angle, when it goes off-road. It's a two-door one, so you see there's only one door handle there. I never realized that the door handle was right here on the Classic Range. I always thought it was like normal cars. It is not. Also on the side you can notice the mud flap. On the driver's side you've got the fuel filler cap. It's still SUV, like 5 seats, but only front doors. And you've got the blacked out C-pillar. There's slight design in the back. From the side you can notice it's got detailed tail lamp. So let's move to the back. So you've got detailed tail lamp with turn indicators. You've got Range Rover written in the back. You've got a Land Rover badge here, the place to hold number plate, a windshield wiper, and a very thin bumper. It's not like a huge bumpers these days. Also on the back, if you notice, the spare wheel is inside there in the interior. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference being the fuel filler cap. So I think I meshed this gray trim here, and I think the turn indicator might be here. It's not detailed. This is how it looks from the top. No sunroof or anything. Well, it's a Classic Range, so it's a part of moving parts line. So it comes with opening hood, and you can see the engine inside. There you go. Again, it's not detailed or anything, but yeah, you do get an engine. You can see some details there, but not a lot of them colored or painted. I'm glad that hood opens up all the way. Some Matchboxes they don't. So overall, should you get one? Well, I will leave it to you. If you're a fan of Range or even Land Rovers, you should get one. If not, well, still it's a nice casting. Those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.